Hell no, I don't want to play no game.
Well, you gonna play one today.
No, I don't want to play no game. Unless you talk about 2K.
Man, shut up.
Stop playing 2K.
Trey, you trash in 2K. Reese, the only way to free yourself is if Trey Nub can untie his shoelace and hand you the key. You will only have 30 seconds. If he is not able to get the key, this barber, who just failed barber school, will push your edge up to the crack of your ass, resulting in the death of your hairline.
Come on, man.